So in this final part of the video, we'll be showing you how to connect up the cables and to get the software to communicate with the till. So in this occasion I'm using the USB, so I'll simply plug the USB into the side. You'll get the tone from the PC, and I have my adapter here, so it's RS232 in the back of the till to USB. I need to load up the ECR system, which I'll do from here. Put in my password, which can be changed in the software, and here I can see that the software is expecting the port to be COM1 and 115/200 being the baud rate or the speed. So firstly click on this and you can see that it comes up COM1 and 115/200. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this down to 9600 and save that. So now we've got COM1 and 9600. I'm going to minimize this, and now I need to look at our settings on our own PC. You only need to do this if we're using the USB. So in the search box here, simply type in Device Manager. And press enter. And then what I need to do is to look down here for ports, and I've got the COM and LPT. If we then use a little arrow at the side, and we're here, we can see we've got Prolific, which is the manufacturer of the USB adapter, USB to serial, and we can see it's set to COM1. If we highlight that with one click, and then using the right click, let's have a look at the actual properties for it. We can see that the general, we've got it on COM1, which is correct. If we needed to change that, we can do that from here. So we go to port settings, and the bits per second on this is set to 9600, which is now matching the software. If that wasn't correct, then we can have a drop down box and we can change it to 9600. So the key to all of this is it must match. So now we've got on COM1 and 9600, which we know matches now the software COM1 and 9600. If we go back to here, if we need to change the COM port, so if yours is coming up with COM3, again we can right click, go to Properties, Port Settings, and then Advance, and this here will give us the COM port. So again, we can change the COM port here to be 234. It doesn't matter what we change it to, but it's got to match on both of them. So again, we choose COM1, click OK, and OK. Double check that that's still matching, which it is here. And now this is now ready and set, ready for programming and communication with the cash register itself.